Welcome. This is a 10-minute morning yoga full body stretch. Let's begin on our backs, hugging the knees towards the chest. Drawing the breath into the belly, expanding the lower back with each inhale. We'll go ahead and grab the outer edges of the feet, opening the feet for happy baby pose. Option to rock side to side. Release, straightening the left leg and crossing the right knee over towards the left. Back stays flat on the mat. Elbows in line with the shoulders for a supine twist. Drawing the breath into the chest. Exhale, sighing out all tension from the shoulders and the upper back. Allowing the right knee to be really heavy here. No clenching in the feet, the ankles. We'll inhale, release back to center. Right leg straightens, left knee towards the right for a supine twist. Sighing out any tension within the shoulders and the upper back. Inhale, release. Rocking the knees side to side, just massaging the lower back, maybe rolling over the hips, over the glutes. And when you're ready, we'll come to child's pose. Hips towards the heels, walking the hands forward, forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat. Drawing the breath into the chest. On the exhale, softening the shoulders and the upper back. Begin drawing the breath into the belly, expanding the lower back with each inhale. With each exhale, allowing the hips to be really heavy. Release, coming to tabletop, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Dropping the belly on an inhale, gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement, going at your own pace. And when you're ready, we'll come to our bellies, planting the hands directly underneath the shoulders, keeping a slight bend in the elbows. On the inhale, lifting through the sternum, gentle back bend, slight bend in the elbows. Exhale, melting the chest down towards the mat. We'll continue this a few more times. Inhale, peeling the chest up. Exhale, melt back down. Inhale for up dog. On the exhale, down dog. Sending the hips nice and high. Tailbone towards the sky. Feel free to bend one knee, bend the other. Maybe rocking the hips side to side. Let the head be heavy, no tension in the neck. And when you're ready, we'll take the feet mat width distance, pointing the toes out slightly towards the top corners of the mat. Begin walking the hands towards the feet, sending the hips down towards the heels. Option here to sway side to side. And if this feels good, stay right here or begin to find some stillness, taking hands to heart center, resting the elbows on the insides of the knees for Malasana. Inhale, drawing the sternum up. Slight movement, tucking the tailbone. Long spine here. Rest here or take a bind around your right knee. Opening that left shoulder, taking your gaze up. And we'll release, binding the left knee this time. Opening the right shoulder, taking your gaze up. Release. Inhale. On the exhale, gently plant your hands behind you and come to your seat. We'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards the left. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards the right. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.